Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackGear.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to understand. There's probably another Alpinestars S-R10 helmet in this bag. This is the all-new SR10 Arius in the red colorway. This helmet's dead sexy, man. Love this. I've installed the included dark smoke screen because it just looks cool, right? Who wants a clear screen if it's not raining? Nobody. Remember, we've got a full carbon shell here. You see the exposed carbon on the back. And the rest of the helmet is covered in the graphic. I really love this, like that deep candy red. That just looks amazing. The contrast with the fluorescent red looks epic. Look at the detail here on the chin bar. I love how they did that. They blocked this out, I think, perfectly. The Alpinestars logo back there. I said it in the one we did for the blue one. This very quickly ascended to our #1 selling premium helmet. There's a lot of people out there riding these. I've ridden in it. I love it, right? Super sexy, flows a ton of air, great field of vision. These helmets ship complete with the padded helmet bag that I showed you, that I pulled it out of. Both a clear and a dark smoke screen. You also get this visor bag. The GP wing, the large one you see, comes installed already on the helmet. If you prefer something a little more subtle, they include with the helmet smaller road wing, easy to install, a little two-sided tape and stuff. That is included. For fog-free performance with either your clear or your dark smoke screen, there is a Pinlock Max Vision lens. There's no better way to do fog-free than Pinlock. And if you intend to use this on the track and want to run tear-offs to protect your screen, your first pack of tear-offs is included. I personally love this graphic. I think this thing is absolutely amazing. This is the all-new Alpinestars SR10 Arius red helmet.